Today I will be demoing Autopilot. Autopilot is a Portworx feature that provides automatic capacity management for persistent volumes. Autopilot uses rules to detect when a persistent volume reaches a capacity threshold and performs an action, such as automatically growing the volume. Autopilot can also manage Portworx storage pools to automatically increase backend capacity. This allows administrators to save money by right-sizing persistent volumes, as well as right-sizing storage pools, all while providing peace of mind that when a volume runs low on space, it will be remediated without any intervention on the part of the administrator. Let's get started. I will be running this demo on Rancher RKE2. Autopilot, as a rules engine, selects PVCs to grow based on labels. In our example, we will only be applying this label to PVCs within any namespace with the label type equals DB. And then only to PVCs that carry the label app equals disk filler. This allows granular control of what rules apply to which volumes. We can also control when the rules trigger, in this case after the volume grows to 30%, as well as by how much and to what maximum. We're going to go ahead and apply our rule now. And deploy an application that's going to fill a new PVC. Let's check on this PVC inside of the Rancher interface. And we'll notice we have a 10 gig volume. Let's start filling up that disk. We're going to be using, of course, this 10 gig volume to start. And as we noticed in our rule, we're going to grow to a 20 gig volume if it's triggered. Now, it's easiest to monitor Autopilot by looking at events. Now, these events can take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and speed up the backend video. There are a few events that Autopilot will go through. Normal is the standard state of the rule, and denotes that we have detected that there's a PVC that meets the selection criteria of our rule and is being monitored. When our volume meets our 30% threshold, the rule will actually have a triggered event, and then we'll rapidly transition through active actions pending, to actions in progress, to actions being taken, which denotes that our volume has grown by our configured value of 100%, resulting in a 20 gig PVC. And with that, our volume should have grown. Let's take a look at the size of it. We can see we now have a 20 gig volume, and also in the Rancher GUI. Now, although this demo only dealt with an Autopilot rule that expands a PVC, Autopilot can also grow the backend storage pool on supported backends, which include AWS, Azure, Pure Storage, and VMware vSphere. Thanks for watching.